It's Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Here in Dayton, Ohio. Got a train coming northbound. CSX. Kind of like BNSF. KCS, CPKC. It's funky, baby. Foreign power, yes, sir. Fonky Friday on the railroad is in full effect on Rail Fanning Bob's. We're back in action once again. That looks like we got some type of ethanol train here. I could be wrong. They're placarded 1987. I'm not an expert on the contents. Maybe you guys can drop a comment below and tell us here at Rail Fanning Bob's, school us on what could be in these tankers. It's Funky Friday on the railroad. Yes, sir. On a cool, gloomy Friday afternoon here in Dayton, Ohio. Yes, sir. And it's funky. Yes, he kind of sure is. Yes, he is, Rail Fan Tyson. Yes, sir. It's a possibility he could be stopping. He could have a green indication, like a mile up on that color position light. So something's going on here. Something's happening. Oh, a little slack. He didn't hit the brakes. He's definitely slowing down. We just happened to be coming down Miami Chapel and made a couple of turns and saw the gates that they were coming down, and here we are. All right, Rail Fan Tyson, put our gear in park up here, sir. Yes. Thought I heard something. I thought I heard another horn up there. Don't say 650 cars. I doubt if it's 650 cars. Maybe axles, but not cars. We're looking at approximately, 10 engines for 600 and some cars? Okay, it's kind of look like he's picking up speed now a little bit. Rail Fanning Bob's in full effect, Funky Friday style. Yes, indeed. And like always, I like to send a shout out to the men and women of the railroad. Without you, none of this will be possible. Here comes the end of our northbound CSX tanker with a buffer on the end. Well, it's still considered a buffer. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out, folks.